Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your project compiles cleanly. Errors here derail everything. Once done, open Run Configurations or click the small run arrow and choose Run Configurations. Make sure you pick the correct launch type: Java application for main classes, JUnit for tests, or remote Java application for attaching debuggers. You should now see your projects and classes. If they're missing, refresh the workspace or rebuild so Eclipse detects the launchable units. You now configure the core settings. Select the project and click Browse to set the main class that prevents typos. Next, add program arguments and VM arguments where required. These determine runtime behavior and heap or system properties. Make sure the working directory points to the expected folder. Relative paths often matter. Then switch to class path and source to add needed jars, libraries, or source attachments so the runtime and debugger can find classes and sources. You finish by checking advanced options. Set environment variables and choose the correct JRE under the JRE tab. Mismatched Java versions cause runtime failures. If debugging, switch to debug and ensure breakpoints are active and sources match compiled code. For remote debugging, confirm host and port. Click Apply, then Run or Debug to start, and save the configuration for reuse. Troubleshooting tip: if the app won't start, examine the error log in console for class path or no class def, found error messages, and correct class path entries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.